Hello everyone, I'm going to be doing a mini BTS unboxing video. So most of the stuff here is photo cards, but there are two packages, this one and this one, that are from AliExpress and it's unofficial BTS merch. I decided to just throw in the video because I got it today. I'm going to be making a second video or like a second follow-up series unboxing because I do have 17 other items that are on its way to me. So for now, I'm gonna go through this stuff because I really want to see some of the PCs, and let's get started. So the first package is this one from China. I'm pretty sure I got this on AliExpress, and as you can see, it says standing there. I don't know if you guys can see, but yeah, I'm pretty sure that this is an unofficial BT21 stand that I ordered. I went to Toronto like a couple of months ago, and I got this unofficial Koya stand. I paid a lot of money for it. It was actually like $5, but you can get it cheaper online on AliExpress. And I wanted the Tata one, so I'm pretty sure that's what this is. Alright, so let's get into it. I'm so bad at unboxing, guys. Yep, and there's the Tata stand. So next we have up is these unofficial BTS cards. I don't remember how much they were. I guess they were around $4 US. I think I got a Namjoon and a Hoseok one, but I'm not too sure. I don't really remember. Like really jam-packed. Okay, I'm just gonna tear right into it. So for this first package here, this looks like it is from Japan. I did write on it, so number 11 EB. I do have a lot of packages coming in the next couple of weeks, so number 11 just lets me know on my spreadsheet what it is. So I don't know what this package is, but if I looked on my spreadsheet, I would know. And the EB just means that I bought it on eBay. I'm really bad at cutting up packages. I really hope I don't cut anything important. So bad at cutting. Okay, whatever, that'll just have to do. I think that's it. I don't think there's anything else in there. Actually, I'll put that away. Okay. I still don't know what this is, but they packaged it really well, so I guess we'll find out together. What am I looking at? I don't know how to read this. Okay. Worst comes to worst, you just use your X-Acto knife. So much bubble wrap. Okay. I'm just gonna... I don't even know where to start unwrapping this. There's so much tape on it. I can't even... This looks super cute. I still don't know what it is. It must be a little freebie that they gave. Alright, let's see if this one's easier to open. I'm sorry, this video is just gonna be like me struggling to open these PCs for like 20 minutes. Okay, is that good enough? Somewhat. Let's try and cut it here a little. Okay. So it's a cardboard piece of paper and it looks like washi tape. Okay, at least that part is easy. Oh, and it has my name on it. Okay. I hope you'll like it. Thank you. Oh, that's super cute. Oh yeah, okay, this is one of the muster cards that I must have ordered. Look! Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Oh. Okay. Do they give me any goodies? Well, it looks like there's a little thing here. Little note. Oh cool! They're like these little transparent, not transparent, it's like a weird filmy plastic photo card. Oh, it's so cute. I love it. So this is the second package. So this is number 2 on my list, and the T just means that it was a tray. I did kind of start to open it a little because I lost my X-Acto knife there, but anyways, let's tighten this up and let's go in again. Getting in there. Oh. Okay, so the first package from Japan was a real struggle, and this is the second one, and it's pretty big. What does it say on there? Photocard set? Yeah, I'm gonna, I guess, take a wild guess that this is the photocard set from Japan, the Love Yourself Tour photo set. No, it's the same seller. The wrapping. Okay. Let's try this again. So hard. They use so much plastic. I bet they'd save so much more on shipping costs if they didn't send so much bubble wrap. There's one layer off. So much tape! How do they even wrap this? Okay, just saying, but like if you guys like open envelopes a lot, like you need to get an X-Acto knife. It's like the best investment you'll ever make. It's like $5 maybe at Michael's, and it's honestly a lifesaver. I don't think I'd be able to get any of these packages open without it. So much bubble wrap. Alright, we're getting to the last end of the plastic here. Oh, no way! I was not expecting this! Oh no, I think I marked down. Okay. I honestly thought this was the Japan photo set, like from the tour, but I guess this is the RM's Japanese photo card set that I bought. Okay. Well, I'm glad that arrived, but now I'm kind of upset that I didn't get my tour PCs yet, because I want to try and trade them as soon as possible. At first, when I first started standing BTS and I heard about PCs or whatever, I wasn't interested in collecting them, but I don't know, after I got my Muster DVD and I got that tape photo card, I just started to love photo cards, and now all I want to do is just spend money to collect. And I don't think I'm going to collect OT7. I pretty much just want to only collect Namjoon and Hoseok because they're my biases. So, yeah, let's see. Thanks always. I hope you'll like it. Okay, that's sweet. I hope this video doesn't turn out too bad, but it's honestly hard to tell. I'm not like a professional recorder, so. Oh, so okay, they did package it in different top loaders. I thought they were just like on their own. It's nice of them to give me so many top loaders. Okay. We're getting close to the end there. Oh, I forgot to open this. I think they probably gave some more freebies. Oh, okay, so they're different. These are Lomo cards, I think. Oh, okay, so they're like little tags and they say to and from on the back. That's so cute. I love that they gave me Namjoon. Ah! Okay. Okay, so they're just back and front. They only gave me 2 top loaders and not 4 like I thought. Are these connected? That is so cool. Okay, that is very interesting. I learned something new today. Oh, so they're... Okay, I see how it is. It's just oddly shaped. That's so neat. Okay, cool. Yeah, so these are from the Japanese albums. If you ask me, I don't know. I know this one is I Need You, and I don't know what the rest are off by hand, but I do have like a Microsoft Word doc that tells me which ones I have and which ones I don't have. I am going to be collecting Japan PCs just because I think they're so adorable. Okay, so next is a tray. This is number 9 on my list. I'm so lucky for envelopes. They're so much easier to open. Alright. Oh, it's a Christmas card. Cute. Okay. Oh, it opens this way. Hi, I just wanted to thank you again. Enjoy the Hobie photo card. Emma, happy holidays. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, I love it. I traded Jungkook for Hobie, so awesome. Oh, that's sweet. Okay, so next is this, and I'm pretty sure this is another trade. No, so cute. Okay. I love getting Christmas cards. Oh my gosh, armies are so cute. Now, now I feel super unpersonal because all I do is like, I don't even give people cards. Oh, okay. I should start giving people cards more, especially around Christmas. Oh, it's a little Christmas tree. Oh, and it's a UNICEF card too. Lorelai, thank you. Let me know if there are any issues. From Nicole. Wishing you all the joy for the Christmas season. That's so cute. So this is from the Japan album. I think I just traded her a regular Yoongi one to her PC. Oh, cool. It looks like she gave me some free goodies. Oh, I'm getting so many free June PCs. That's so adorable. And is this a Koya sticker? It is! Oh, it's so cute. Okay, so I think this is the very last one, and I think this is Hobie's Muster PC. This one's also from Japan, but it's not as thick as the other ones, luckily, so I'm sure it'll be easier to open. And that did nothing. Okay, let's try it again. Nope. Look, oh, he's so cute. Okay, I think that's pretty much all there is in that bag. Yeah. Aww. I'm so happy that I decided to collect June and Hobie. They have the cutest 4th Muster card. Let me see if I can find it. Look at them! They're so cute. Okay everyone, that's it for the video. Thank you so much for watching. I totally remembered when I was editing this that I forgot to record a video of all of the PCs I got, but I did take a photo because I posted it on Twitter, so I'm just doing a little voiceover here. I'm sorry that this video was kind of rough. This is my first actual unboxing video, and it's really hard. It's really hard to have the camera in front of you like that and to be able to open the packages and make sure it's in view and everything. And the Japanese PCs were wrapped in a shit ton of bubble wrap. So I'm really sorry that you had to watch me struggle with that for 20 minutes. But I am getting 17 more packages in the mail. I know I've said that like a billion times, but I'm getting more packages in the mail. I'm gonna have a second video, and I'm gonna try to make that video a lot better.